to highlight the difference between iman and kufr, or iman and nifaq that we find. Nifaq that we find that Lughatan ulama have described that nifaq is like a tunnel, whereby that many beasts or animals who live underground, they make two tunnels. So when they're attacked by whatever it may be, they're able to escape via another escape route. That's what nifaq is, Lughatan, is to conceal something, falsity, to delude people, to trick people. That's what nifaq is. And that's why every single one of us should be worried about that. As the Qur'an, it begins by speaking about يُخَادِعُونَ اللَّهَ وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَمَا يَخْدَعُونَ إِلَّا أَنفُسَهُمْ وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ. They try to deceive and trick Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and those who believe. But they only deceive and trick their own selves. And they don't even perceive it. That's how the Qur'an is beginning with. فِي قُلُوبٍ مَرَضٌ فَزَادَهُمُ اللَّهُ مَرَضًا. In their hearts is a sickness, and Allah has increased that sickness inside their hearts. And so we should be worried about that. And the sprouting of hypocrisy, we mentioned, ash-shubuhat wa shahawat, doubts and desires lead to hypocrisy inside a person's life. When a person follows their desires, it eventually leads a person to enter into hypocrisy, to abandon their salah, to enter into certain things. And a third element, some ulama mentioned about hypocrisy, what sprouts hypocrisy, as mentioned by Abdullah bin Mas'ud, is musiqa, music. What we find in the modern world around us at the moment, that these types of music that we find around, what does it lead to? Why are so many of the shabab away from Islam? Why they drifted away? Because if day in and day out, those are the vile, vulgar, filthy language that they listen to on a daily basis. What does it sprout into their hearts? That's what ulama said. Two things can't exist in the heart of the believer. You can't have words of Allah. You can't have sawtu Rahman wa sawtu Shaitan fi nafsil qalb. You can't have the voice of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala inside your heart and the voice of Shaitan inside your heart. One will overcome the other, meaning it leads you away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is what we're surrounded by. It sprouts hypocrisy inside the heart of the individual, keeps them away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.